Our camera's ready. Driver's ready. Watch the light. We're going racing in sport mod at the Colorado RC Monster Truck Challenge. Monster Patrol taking a couple. Black Stallions just finished the race. There's two more hits, Black Stallion. Double over. Whoa! With the style, Black Stallion. Goes in. Oh! All right, he did cross the line, folks. There was a lot of carnage, but a line was crossed. All right, as we're getting staged, our camera's ready. Just to make sure camera's ready. Driver's making their way through positions. Watch the light. We're going racing. Off the line, even barefoot. Oh, barefoot high side. Whoa, back to the line. Go down first there. Austin Collins bouncing his way to a two. Oh, man, a lot of scale cards and fiberglass. Troy taking the win.
All right, classic matchup coming up. Bigfoot versus Grave Digger. Here we go.
I didn't even do that.
All right, they're gonna go up there and play some mind games like Scott and Andy. I don't know, Andy likes to play games. He's sitting there trying to fan me out. All right, guys, driver's ready. Camera's ready. Watch the light. Bigfoot versus Grave Digger. Pretty even right off the start. Goes in the wall. Bigfoot's in the wall. Grave Digger's in the wall. Oh no, another double roll. Well, rerun. All right, we're reset. Cameras are rolling. Cameras ready. Driver's ready. Watch the light. All right, let's take two. Bigfoot versus Grave Digger. Grave Digger's a little lead. Bigfoot makes a bobble. Looks like Digger's going to take it. And Hollow's moving on through. All right. Cameras are ready. Driver's ready. Watch the light. All right. Viking versus Cluster Truck. Very similar with their recipes. Viking goes for a ride. So does Cluster. Viking's still in it. All you gotta do is finish.
We broke the steering.
Lost the steering. That's not good. Reverse it. Reverse it. Penalties don't matter. Oh, double roll.
Yeah.
All right, well.
Closer by disqualification.
Yeah, it's DQ, double DQ.
So re-race or?
Yeah, you have to re-race or unless you want to drop the truck.
Yeah.
Ready to drop it?
Yeah.
I'm taking it. We have a good time in Sport Mod.
Woo!
Yeah, that's right. We gotta give these people walking the mall that aren't having that good of a time a really good time with our RC cars. All right, camera's ready, driver's ready. We got two trucks, one track. Watch the light. Oh man, Austin Collins, don't roll it. Well, you notice how bouncy the truck is. That was the smoothest I've ever seen that thing run.
All right, we got Oliver coming to the line with that big old bright and lit zombie versus the black and green Mecha Machine and Hobo Grave Digger. Cameras ready. Driver's ready. Watch the light. Ooh, Oliver gets the jump on Hobo. Trying to keep it smooth. Hobo's out here missing ramps. Still missing ramps. Oliver just gotta finish it. Whoa! Keep it smooth, you're still legal.
Finish. That's all you
Finish
gotta
the race. Whoa! Easy,
Reverse,
girl.
reverse. Now hit the ramp. Hit the ramp.
Hit the ramp.
Just gas. Just hit it.
Yeah!
Yeah!
All through. All right, everybody's ready. Driver's ready. Watch the light. All right, cluster truck's gonna keep it smooth. Going from there, suffering out there. The cluster truck's gonna bring it home. Cluster truck, moving to the final.
Oliver, our youngest competitor, making it one race away from the finals. He could take it to the top. We just need Troy's truck to malfunction somehow. I think he was saying there's some bugs in it in the pits. We'll see how it performs. Let's see if we got those gremlins out of that awesome Kong. All right, so our driver's ready. You better watch the truck, Oliver. You're about to go racing, brother. Camera's ready. Watch the light. And we're off. They're even. Oliver. Feeling good. 2-second penalty. Awesome Kong taking the win. Moving to the finals against Cluster Truck.
Alrighty, here we are with the Sport Mod 1 bracket finals. We got Troy and an awesome Kong and Combo and Cluster Truck. Cameras ready and drivers ready.
Just getting some social medias.
Getting the ultra.
Yeah, we're going to watch the fight.
Alright, watch that live. Let's go racing. You guys are pretty nice right now. And that's what the finish is.
All right, Habo, you're back to your winning ways. Cluster Truck took a final round win against my awesome Kong truck in Sport Mod Class 1.
You know, we love to see it over here, you know, at the Cluster Truck Camp. You know, shout out to Danny Mass, Monster Vlog, Cluster Truck Racing. Held it down all season with this truck, and hopefully we got some more brackets left in it.
Yeah, man. Well, I'd like to give you the Sport Mod
Awesome,
Bracket 1
thank you.
trophy. Check that bad boy out.
Hopefully there's some more of these to come.
Awesome. Good job, Habo. See you in the
you.
next bracket.